This is Concorde.
Concorde. Oh yeah.
Wow.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah.
We're looking at a 41.
This is the most beautiful plane that we built.
Wings are on the bottom for this one, see? So this is the right wing.
Oh,
Isn't that
really?
sick?
This is what it is.
It's actually like the Concorde.
I'm building the Concorde.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. If you're liking this video, please hit the like button and subscribe and share it with friends. That way, we can make more. Now back to your video.
Concorde's gotta be blue because blue is the coolest color and the Concorde is the coolest plane, maybe not ever, but definitely up there. I hope this colored paper looks cooler for you guys on screen than white paper because it is much harder to see the corners. Now, I'm no expert on the plane, but I have watched a YouTube video or two on it. The Concorde was the first passenger airplane to be able to make a trip from New York to London in less than 4 hours. It did it in 3.5 hours. So the Concorde could fly at Mach 2 times the speed of sound. I don't know what that is in meters per second or kilometers per hour, but it's definitely not even Mach 1, which is the speed of sound, which is 762 miles per hour. I'm having a hard time with this basic fold. I don't know why. Because I'm excited. I'm building the Concorde. All right, so now we've done the basic folds for most of the planes. Fold it in half, bring the flap up, other flap in. Now we're gonna fold it in half. And this is setting the foundation for the paper airplane. So this project for the Concorde, a plane so crazy, a plane so futuristic, started in 1962, and it was discontinued. It ran for about 30 years from the 70s until about 2003 when it was discontinued. Because very, very, very few people actually flew on the Concorde. It was a extremely expensive flight. Unavailable to most of the world's population. All right, so we're folding these flaps in, and now it starts to get a little bit complicated. We open it back up. Keep one wing open only until you see this. Keep the other wing closed. We're gonna start the fold here. Where this flap meets is where the height at which we are going to start the fold. This fold will go all the way out until this corner. A little bit tough, but you can do it. When this plane comes together in the end, you'll see this is maybe the most beautiful plane that we built for this experiment. This one took the longest. It took us 16 minutes. It's not even that there are so many folds. It's just that these folds require like so much focus. And now we're gonna do the same for the other side. All right, now, you thought we were done with the complicated folds. Basically, we need to fold it in half, but don't fold it in half because this is not how it will be folded in half. You want to create a little crease right here. So you're gonna fold it in a little bit, okay? Then you're gonna push your finger from the back through. So create this crease, push your finger from the back through. Now you see how it is kind of a weird looking shape. This is what you want. Because this is now where we'll grab this fold. Make sure that is all aligned. And pull. And fold down. That is for sure the most complicated fold in the Concorde. You might have to watch that back a couple times. The first time I did it, it took me a couple tries. So it is definitely a little bit weird of a fold. Now, interestingly, the Concorde's wings don't fold down, they fold up. So fold up. Up until this crease here. So you're gonna feel the resistance. It's quite simple. There will be no flaps on the wings. The Concorde is too beautiful to have any flaps on the wings. All right, now we will take this middle section, fold it up, turn it around, fold it back up, fold it back down. Another complicated, slightly weird fold. Push it, so you're gonna open the middle, push it, so, and then close it back up. Oh, amazing. What a cool plane. Make sure everything is perfectly creased. Again, see the wings fold down, they don't fold up. See, these wings, unlike other wings, the wings are not at the top of the plane. The wings aren't at the top folding over. They are on the bottom folding up. And that, my friends, is how you build the Concorde.